Okay, everyone, listen up. This is a special mission that we have to do. So remember, no mess-ups. Right. Stand back. Let me take you to Rio. Oh, what was that? Is that singing? It's just people. Brazilian. Because we're at Brazil. Come on, villains. So,
But, hello.
what, bud?
Buddy! Huh? What was that?
What the? That sounds coming.
Prime! Into, Macarena?
Oh, what was that? Arg, I think it was Danny D. Prime screamed. Oh, it is? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Now my new plan's continued. We got him now. Pirate Villain's army, set sail for Rio! Okay, I'm driving. Okay, I repeat, set sail for Rio! My chest is damaged by the porcupine! Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Bye-bye. Okay, my laddies, I hope you want to cover your ears. Okay. Oh, okay.
He's not gonna like this.
Cover my mouth.
What? Oh, great, again?
Yes, we almost made it to Brazil. That guy could have killed me. Look, my chest covered in blood. Oh, I'm terribly sorry, my lad. Please forgive me. Buddy. I'm not your buddy. Now leave me alone. Okay. Listen, don't be so mad. Just calm down. Calm down? I'm a spy, and I'm brother-in-law. Okay, take it easy. I know about your father's life. You really do? Yes, I was a spy in Georgia. Danikin Prime has betrayed the spies and killed everyone with your laser sword. My laser sword? That's my father's. But Denzel gave it to me a year ago. Yeah, about that.
Oh, sorry we slacked up the mission again.
Oh, what have I even bothered? Listen, this Lord Papa, I was moved to Brazil, so the place would be safe for me. I'm Shorty, boy. You a Shay. Wait, is that? Yeah, he's my friend. And this is my Happy Racer's brother.
Oh, you're here! Yes, I'm definitely here. Welcome back, my brother.
Wait, that's your brother? Why, yes. They live here. Well, where are you gonna help us to stop the pirate villain army and Dr. Fred Ramboss? Well, I can help you in paradise. Great. Yes, but this side. Well, are you gonna help us? Or are you joining us in this American Spies? Absolutely. Yes, I could join you. But first. Alright, party's over. Hey, Cramped City. Yes. Vacuum. Okay. What do I want to Done. So, tell me anything.
Okay, so... What? The race starts tomorrow. Get it? Can I help you?
I was trying to get to Pearson Village.
Oh, just go somewhere. See, Macarena. Oh, thank you.
Well, come on.
Sheesh.
Hey, say, Woody, I have heard that Prime screamed like that.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But I had to say, Mr. Harriman's coming to visit. What? In 4 days.
Oh, really?
Whoa, Mr. Harriman, he's the law of the Woody Woodpecker Racing Series?
Well, yes, he is.
Oh, dude, that was cool. Maybe... Wait, Mr. Harriman is Lucius' enemy? Why, yes. No, he's kick him out of here for business. Oh, he did? Oh, I didn't know that. Exactly the moment I was on the beach. I wonder I'll take a look. It's that pirate ship. Everybody out of the water! Out of the water! The ship is coming to hit us! Run for your lives! What's everybody got into? I better check. Let's get out of here before anything else. You said it. Anchors away! Go, no, oh, no, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ha, ha, ha! I'll handle this. Citizens of Brazil! I said citizens of Brazil and Rio, you've got 1 minute on location where the American spies and the Woodpecker, or else I'll destroy your resorts and cities. Everybody, don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. The Uncle Pops will save us. Oh, he's gonna die soon. Pirate Army, arrest them all. Yes, sir. Yes, this plant is mine. So, anyhow, a moment. So, let me get this straight. You are retired from the Spies of Georgia, and wait, no, let's see, no, dang it, what is it? 12 years ago. Oh yeah, 12 years ago. Or 10, of course. Yes, but still. Okay, come on. We gotta find the party spies and tell us where the secret hideout is. Come on.
Oh, wait. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Listen up. So, the new races start tomorrow. So, next race will be on Mississippi.
Mississippi? What's that? Wanna know? Breaking news, huh?
Oh, what? Who said that?
Over there. This is live action news. Live on Brazil. Uh-oh.
What? What was that?
Oh no, this can't be good, dude. Oh, this is bad.
Uh-oh.
We're here at live that on the pirates arrest all the people on the beach because everybody are guilty. At moment, and say, I have to say, wait, no. Oh, Woodpecker.
You.
Looks like Danny D. Prime must die, and Sinbad and Josh are about to be dead soon. You met him, right?
I did?
And now head to the execution here on China. But if you don't, your life ends now, forever. And get out of here! Oh, hold the camera.
Oh, Lindsay.
Heather? No,
it can't be true.
That's her.
So you're Lindsay's enemy, you betrayed her in the first place.
Oh, I did, because of your execution will start in China, and for Dr. Fed's speech starts soon. And if you don't come here, we're gonna end your life now. And get this camera away from me. No, wait, wait!
Oh no!
That can't be true. Not her again.
Okay. Don't listen to them, but the spies will be there soon.
What was that? Captain D. Him again. Oh, he's so gonna get it. Okay. This place gives me the creeps.